Kumshi benta ban rakhe ya kasini lai lu jangkari India lani ka Independence Day. Ka Ophis su Deputy Commissioner kari Bhoi haka jinga Pynlong bat ka Ophis su District Sports Officer DSO ri Bhoi District hene ka step khat san tarik nailar ka la Pynlong ya ka jinga kop marathon ka balatip kum ka Independence Day run na ka benta kishin rang bat kan thei ka bajingai kumba hinyo kilometer ka bala sedang na lebai market dulongnar hadu ha indoor stadium omling kedai. Lawan ban kawe ya lama da uchetania awasthi IAS SDO Patharkhma Civil Subdivision ha ka jingdon rengkat uba Bobby L Nongbet DSO Ribhoi bat kiwe kinong job ha ka ni ka jingya kop mare marathon ha ka kerdan bandingkong ha ka liang ki shinrang ya ka namla du lara du samla monus bongrung ha ka kerdan baar lara du samla lapan kraw thaba bat ha ka kerdan ka balai la yo du samla ko barlen daloi. Pada kalian ki kenthei ka samla filinza han sapi kalawan beningkong ka samla julina bongrum kalawan haka kerdan ka baar bat haka kerdan balai la yo ka samla Antonia lingdo bat ya ka nam ki balasan hakerta na kalian ki kenthei la yo ka kong sonra rani bat na kalian ki shinrang la yo da uba pelbe na kalian ki nok peniat kum ka jing penslur bat jing aiman si me ki nong shimbenta kila sam ya ki khusnam shabaro ki nong job.
To all of you. Very quickly, I'll just take 1 or 2 minutes of your time and just let you know why is this important, and I'm really grateful to the district sports officer and his entire team who have conducted this marathon. Just remember, you all are young people. I was just asking him what is the mix of the people who are running. He said old ones also. Just remember that Independence Day is just not another day, a lot of your foremothers and forefathers have laid down their lives to let alone, there was a time where people could not walk on these streets, let alone run in a marathon. So a lot of sacrifice has gone beyond. It is our duty to not forget it. So when you run today, run with that spirit that there was a time that we could not walk on these streets freely, and today is the time we can run on these streets freely. So appreciate that sacrifice that has gone, and there's no better way to appreciate it than being a fit citizen. So it's a great occasion to contribute to the well-being of the society by leading by example. So I wish you all the very best. I've heard there are some exciting prizes also, but irrespective of the prizes, just run for yourselves and your fitter bodies, right? And you'll be seeing more of me. I'm also a sports enthusiast, so we'll be seeing more of each other. With that, again, very happy Independence Day. Run well, but run responsibly. Be mindful of the rules. It's a highway, so don't try to do something out of the box. Not needed today. And with that, yeah, again, all the very best. May the best person win.
Mentap sang maranan me pasal mun mentap jenisnya maran ada kau sang bafi.
Okay, thank you.